Hi and welcome to my channel. In this video we will look at a new command. The command is cp conf client. This command is used to manage the list of allowed GUI clients to SmartConsole. So what that means, what clients can log in to SmartConsole. Provides granular control over which clients can access and manage the security policies and objects on the SMS. So we can press enter here to see what is available. So we can try the first command, get. So get. So we see any, and any means that any host can connect to the SmartConsole, and that is not recommended. So what we can do, so now we can limit this by adding an IP address of the one host that we need to be able to connect to SmartConsole. So cp conf client add to try to 10, maybe 10.10. So now we can see who can log into our SmartConsole by using the command get. So we can see that the client, this client IP and all other IPs can log in. So we need to delete the any option. So we can use del and open code, double quotes, and the any like this. Now we can look at get again. So now we can see that it's only this IP address that can log into the SmartConsole. So but we can still add that any command. So we can add any. So it will still work. But it is not recommended. The recommended is to have a specific hosts that can log into the SmartConsole. We can also use a host name. So add, for example, SmartConsole host. If we had DNS and this device is defined in DNS, so it will work. So if we use get now, we can see that SmartConsole host any and the IP address. We can also use an IP range. So add, for example, 23 10 1 like this, 255 255 2550. And now we can look again. So we can see that all devices in this range will be able to log into SmartConsole. We can also use a wildcard. So for example, this we can do like this, asterisk here. So all IPs in this range 10, so from 1 to 254 will be able to connect to the SmartConsole. So we look at get again. So we can see all these can log in. We can also create a list of IPs like cp conf client create list. So this list, for example, 192.168.10.1 255 255 2550. So we need the whole this subnet from 1 to 254 to be able to connect, and we need another host, maybe 172.30.10.10. We need both of these to be able to be connected. And this command will remove all other options available. So if we had any and any other IP address, all will be removed and only this will be available. So we press enter here and look again by using get. So we see that only this host and this subnet and this range will be able to connect to the SmartConsole. So this was for this video. So thank you for watching and see you next time.